Yoga practices has become very popular in present era. Many people across the world follow yoga to improve quality of life. In patients with diabetes, hypertension, glaucoma, other vascular diseases, old age and post-ophthalmic surgery patients, retinal blood vessels are very fragile or compromised. If these patients do front bending asanas like Uttanasana, Prasarit Padottanasana, etc., or asanas like Shirshasana and Sarvangasana, the blood flow goes towards the brain and so the ocular blood flow also increases, which can cause rupture of small conjunctival capillaries, causing conjunctival hemorrhage, and intravitreal hemorrhages also can be a rare complication. In glaucoma patient, this front bending asana can cause raised intraocular pressure. So patients with this condition should avoid maintaining front bending position for a longer period. Similarly, pranayama is also very popular and it is very beneficial for the body. It improves autonomic functions, it improves oxygen supply to all parts of body including eye. Deep breathing and Anulom Vilom Brahmari Pranayam can cause reduction in intraocular pressure. So glaucoma patients get benefit after doing pranayama and it should be advised to the glaucoma patient. But some pranayamas like Bhastrika and Kapalabhati can cause high blood pressure and high intraocular pressure. Excessive and improper pranayama should be avoided by glaucoma patients, patients with vascular retinopathy and post-operative patients. It should be done with a proper technique and selective pranayamas are only advised. We took photographs of anterior segment OCT before and after breath holding positions. So it was observed that after breath holding means after Antarkumbhak, the anterior chamber angle opens up. The measurement of anterior chamber angle increases in breath holding position. It suggests that pranayama or deep breathing is beneficial to the glaucoma patients. Similarly, yogic cleansing kriya like Jaladhauti is also a popular technique. It is used for the treatment of acidity and digestion problems. In Jaladhauti, a person drinks a large quantity of water in a short period and then vomits it out. But in glaucoma patient, if patient drinks a large quantity of water, then there is a chance of increased intraocular pressure. So this Shuddhi Kriya should be avoided by glaucoma patients. Jaladhauti and water therapy can cause increase in IOP and should be avoided by glaucoma patients. Avoid in post-operative and vascular retinopathy patients. Meditation and eye health. There are studies done on effect of meditation on eye health. Meditation enhances brain oxygenation, upregulates BDNF and improves the quality of life in patients with primary open-angle glaucoma. Dr. Tanuj Dada from AIIMS has done a study and published in International Journal of this mindful meditation effect, which reduces intraocular pressure, lowers the stress biomarkers, and modulates gene expression in glaucoma. So, in POAG, meditation reduces intraocular pressure, improves the quality of life, normalizes stress biomarkers, and positively modifies gene expression. So, mindfulness meditation can be recommended as adjunctive therapy for open angle glaucoma. Similarly, Tratak means looking at an object at eye level, keeping the object at eye level, and looking continuously at that object, which improves concentration. It may help to improve eye muscle strength to a certain extent, but it should not be used as a treatment of dry eye. Tratak can cause increase in dryness of eyes. Yoga exercises, eye muscle exercises are also taught commonly, where person is asked to look in different directions: left, right, left up, left down, right up and right down. These eye exercises definitely help to increase the muscle strength. It is also advisable for computer operators and the persons who work for longer period in front of the screen. Accommodation exercises also helps to increase the muscle strength. So in conclusion, yogasanas and eye exercises cannot cure any eye disease. Yogasana or any yogic kriya cannot help to reduce spectacle power. It definitely improves quality of life. Yogasanas, pranayam and meditation helps to improve eye health.